You ever have something that you made a long time ago and it's time to revisit? Yep, that's what we're doing today. Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I decided I needed to do something with these index cards that I did ink marks on, and I know it's been at least 2 years. It could have been 4 years. I don't remember when I did them. But I was playing with India ink and stuff that made marks. And I decided that I wanted to do something with them. So today, and I just drew one random. I tipped them upside down, mixed them up, and I pulled one at random. That's the idea. And sorry, excuse my clearing of my throat there. I just want to create something. A long time ago I did something where I added a little bright paint and did a girl, so that was the thought on this one, was to put a girl on here. I decided to grab some of the cleanup deli paper from my bucket of scraps that I've been using for the last little while, and just I wanted the deli paper because it's kind of transparent, and hoping that, you know, the ink marks won't disappear entirely. I think they do. Or if they're there, it's so subtle it's not even a thing. But yeah, I'm just taking random bits of deli paper and gluing it on there. And then in July, Art Joy of Sharing was focusing on neon. I think that was in July. Or was that June? No, it was July. So I have some neon craft paint that I've had for a while and decided I'd use it up in this. And I think I've used all of the yellow. I have a little bit of pink and green left. What other colors were there? Yeah, I think that 3 is the only neon colors I had. I added other colors to it to try and make, you know, have a little neon blue and stuff, and orange. I don't think I have neon orange either. But yeah, so I'm drawing my little girl on there, and then I'll fill her in so that she stands out against everything else I do on this thing. And I'm just using a pen. It's nothing fancy. In fact, I think it might smear a little bit when I add the paint. And I just picked a neutral sort of skin color. I don't know whose skin is that exact color, but you know, it works. Yeah, and I thought India ink... No, that's not India ink. That's Sumi ink. I thought it was permanent. But I notice as I'm painting stuff that stuff smears. It's not overly smeary, but if you work it too long, get too much on there. So you can see there when I'm doing the yellow that it actually smears. I was surprised. I really thought it was permanent black. And I have scanned these black and white index cards, so I do have a digital copy of them if I ever wanted to do something with them. I actually printed them on label paper, you know, where you peel and stick labels, so I do have them there if I ever want to play around. Anyway. So you see there I mixed some orange with the neon yellow, hoping to brighten it up. And now I'm adding pink to the girl. And I feel like everything, even though I've got some layers down, I feel like everything is kind of flat. that's possible. And I wanted more texture. Oh, and I'm trying to get like a neon brown. Is that a thing? I think I decided to go for green instead. I was trying to make some sort of brownish color to do her hair. But brown hair wouldn't go with this neon thing, right? Gotta have some turquoise hair. Or teal. I'm not sure which color that is. Yep, not enough going on, so I am just taking my little spongy brayer, and that is yellow ochre. Sorry, it took me a minute to think of what color that was. I just brayered on there. Just getting rid of the excess around the edges. Still needs more. I decided it's in its ugly stage right now. Sorry, I'm bumping the table there. I actually think I might actually be bumping the camera. But it looks like my table's moving. It was me turning and reaching. Need a better setup. So I thought I would highlight around her just to create a difference in value between her and the background. And then I just add the white to it and decide, now what shall we do? So I'm pulling out a little blue, and we're gonna do the opposite side. Make it look like there's a blue wall to the side over there. And I felt like I needed to put some on the other side, but I don't know if that was really necessary. I feel like I need to pull out the original, the finished piece, so I can remember what it looks like in the end. Because I like it in the end, and right now I'm not so happy with it. Maybe it's... I'm gonna add a word to it, maybe that's it. Kind of outlining her so she looks better. Still trying to figure out what it needs. It needs something. Oh, and I just pulled out the final piece, and you do see the ink marks. They don't disappear. I'm kind of covering up the previous white paint with a little bit of yellow. And I covered up that blue with the yellow, and I don't like it, so I go over it. This is, you know, those gel crayons. Don't remember which brand, but it was just a random one. Decided to cover up that blue with the green instead. And then to finish off the back and make it look nice, I have this old steno pad. Like, it's really old. And I figured I would just glue it to the back. And these, you know, they may end up being a journaling card for something or other. They could be tucked into a pocket. I don't know. I just liked the idea of like a cabinet card kind of stiffness to it. And just adding that paper on the back gives it that nice thickness. Like, you can hear it. That's me tapping my fingers on it. It's quite stiff now. And then I just go around the edges. Even though, you know, it's blue and it's not really a brown antique-y thing, I still go around the edges with a brown. I believe I do brown on this one. Sorry, I didn't realize I made you watch me search through all my stamping stuff. Finding my little foam. Pull out my distress ink. And that is vintage. It's one of the browns. It's an orange-y brown. You can't really see it on the front side even though I do this, but it takes the white away from the edges. And then when I do the back, it just kind of makes it look antique-y a little bit. Then I decided to just, I have a whole collection of words, so I decided to, yeah, that took a little while to get that to cut down to size. Just take my words and add them. I think I put a little ink around the edge of the word. Some more of that brown. I love the little tin boxes Tim Holtz has for his stamps and stuff. And I found those on clearance at Hobby Lobby a long time ago. I wish they'd do some more because they're kind of pricey. But there it is, all finished. I know, no face. I hope you liked that. If you liked it, leave me a thumbs up or comment. Appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. Have an awesome day.